Hello and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be looking at Alien Breed 3D on the Amiga 500. Well, let me just turn sound up. The base looms dead and silent in front of me, blotting out the sky. The main entrance is out of the question. Choked with rubble and bodies, not all of them human. I didn't look too closely. Picking my way through the debris around the perimeter, I find a way in. A service entrance located in a storage bay below. Ground level. I grip my pulse rifle tightly and think, pray to God this works, and lower myself into the pit. No turning back now. Let's go. What the hell is this? Oh, so it's... That sounds like off a... what do you call it? That's thing here. How do you open it? What the hell is that? Ah, so you press Y. Take some of that. What's that? So I don't think that opens. Oops. Oh, there's one more. There's another one of them disc things here, I think. Whoa, what's it doing here? No mercy shown here. How do you get through them? Right, so I've got one of them. God, it's a bit gory, isn't it? There's a lot of blood on that, isn't there? Right, so it's X is to shoot and Y opens. So B, which is the blue one, that's like a crouch. A, I don't think A does anything. And Y obviously opens doors and stuff. Is that like a... I don't know what that is. Oh, that's like a little thing. I don't know what I've just picked up, but it went yellow anyway. I presume it's good. See, that sounds like... God, there's loads of them in here. No mercy here. If you come at me, you will be ended. Oh shit, I've run out of bullets. Oh shit. How do you reload? That wasn't a good idea. That wasn't a good idea. Let me just swing it. Yeah, so that was just a video to show you Alien Breed 3D. Now, like I said, a lot of these games, like obviously Zool, Worms, I've heard of, Another World, Arcade Pool. That one, I think not heard of that, not heard of that. California Games, I think I'd played that one. Chaos Engine, Dragon's Breath, not heard of that. Kickoff 2, I can remember that one. Last Patrol, never heard of that. Paradroid. Pinball Dreams, I can remember that one, because that's one of the first games I got that. I think that were a 2-disc one, that. Never heard of them. Not heard of that. Speedball 2, I can remember that. I played a lot on that. That's the first game. I think I had Speedball 1, or Speedball, and then I think that is the first game I copied. I think I lent that off one of my friends. Can remember that one, because I always used to fall off. Supercars, I think I remember that one. Titus the Fox, don't remember that. Yeah, so only obviously a short video. We're just showcasing Alien Breed 3D. Please like, subscribe if you're enjoying my Amiga channel. You see, when I do finally finish all my Amiga games, I mean, like I said, I'm not gonna go through all of them, but I'm gonna put them all onto a playlist, so it's anyone who watches can obviously access it easier. And then, hey, just on another note, I don't know if you can see it behind me. I got a new poster because my room were looking a bit, what's the word, empty. So I bought myself I bought it off Temu. It come from Hong Kong. I bought myself a Karate Kid poster from when he does crane kick on Johnny at end. Because I'm a big fan of him. Because growing up, I used to watch like a lot of like karate films and martial arts and stuff. And I used to love Karate Kid. I used to love like Karate Kid 1, 2, and 3. And then on Netflix, they've obviously done Cobra Kai, where it's all like 30 years after that. And I always liked that at end when he did crane kick. So yeah, I thought I'd just give my room a bit of colour. Because on the wardrobe behind me, I have ordered a little one to put on wardrobe door. So when you look behind me, it don't look a bit empty. Just to get a bit of colour, like, because obviously this is my little gaming section. Obviously this is my room, but I mean, when I think next year, well, obviously this year, sorry, at some point I might invest in a proper gaming desk because it's a bit cluttered. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, only a short one. And I'll see you next one. I've got to figure out which one I'm going to do. Right, thank you for watching.